Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, this initiation, as many of our students are initiated, so some of our students are going to be initiated this evening. The initiation means the third stage of joining this movement. The first stage is Shraddha, a little faith, just like our students are going in the marketplace, they are chanting, and many people are contributing some money. Somebody is purchasing our back to Godhead. This is the beginning of faith. Oh, here is a nice moment, and let me cooperate. The Adu Sadhya. Then, if he becomes little more interested, then he comes here into the class. All right, let us see what these people are teaching, this Krishna consciousness. So they come. So that is the second stage. The first stage is automatic sympathy for this movement. The second stage is joining or associating with this our activities. Just like you have kindly come here, you are hearing me. Similarly, if somebody becomes more interested or his faith is still further advanced, then he comes. That is the second stage. And the third stage is Adu Saddha Tato Sadhasanga Ato Bhajana Kriya. Now the initiation means beginning of the activities. Beginning of the activities. How one can develop Krishna consciousness to the perfectional state. That is called initiation. It is not that initiation means finished. It is the third stage. That the fourth stage will be one who is initiated if he follows the rules and regulations, and if he chants Hare Krishna with a fixed counting, then gradually his all misgivings will vanish. What are the misgivings? We ask our students to refrain from that illicit sex life, non-vegetarian diet, and intoxication, and to take part in jhana. These four things. So, and ordinarily, these four things are very prominent in the society, especially in the Western countries. But these students who take initiation and follow chanting, they very easily give up these four things without any difficulty. That is called anartha-nivritti. That is the fourth stage. The fifth stage is then he becomes fixed up. Yes. Just like one student, Mr. Anderson, I have not seen him, but simply by associating with our other devotees, he has written that I wish to devote my whole being for this Krishna consciousness. This is called nishtha, fixed up. Tato nishtha, tato ruchi. Ruchi means they get a taste. Why these boys are going out, this chanting? They have got a taste. They have developed a taste. Otherwise, for nothing, they are not wasting time. They are educated, they are grown up. So taste. Then fixed up, then taste. Tatha Shakti. When the taste is then attachment. He cannot give it up. I received so many letters. Some students, they could not cope with their god brothers. They go away. But they write that I cannot go. I cannot go. He is captured. Umaputi has written that letter. That he becomes in difficulty. He cannot leave, he cannot alive he or alive he. He is in dialogue. He cannot quit the company or some misunderstanding, he cannot live with God. But that is temporary. So that is called asakti. Attachment. Tatha shakti, tato bhav. Then gradually increasing some ecstatic position, always thinking of Krishna, and then perfection of state that he loves Krishna 100%. So this is the process.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama